Look at that. Down over the waters at the Roman baths in Somerset. We have all these wonderful sandstone carvings around on the terrace. There's a stunning Bath Abbey from the terrace. Just a view of the hot springs coming up into the bath. '76 AD. So the baths must have been built by them. The inscription dates back to the 40th emperor. This is the Roman baths in the 4th century. With saunas and sweat baths. Of the column and the head of the pediment. Just some of the Roman artefacts that have been recovered and excavated here. Some tools, some pots for cooking, some coinage. Head of a lady there. Sarcophagus that's sunken in the floor here. Stone coffin used by the Romans. Here is the skeleton they found in the coffin. courtyard here, all the remains of. Some of the Roman artifacts that were offered as offerings to the Roman goddess. And a good selection of souvenirs here. Here's where the sulphur drains in from the river. The sulphur in the water changing its colour, and this is where it enters the Roman bath. It's hot, it's a hot spring, natural hot spring. We've just found out that a whole load of lead piping was used in forming the baths, and it came from the Mendip Hills. We're just about to go outside to see the bath at ground floor level. See the old uneven Roman slabs there come out into the Roman bath, surrounded by these sandstone columns here. There would have been a fountain here at some point. Some of the stacked columns here. There's been a mosaic floor here, lifted up. Stalactites hanging from the ceiling in lines. I don't know if you can see them there in the picture. That's where we were up at the beginning, up on the viewing gallery. We're in the seating area where they would have sat. But today it's all filled up with coins, with people making wishes. The giant circle is about 10 metres across by 10 metres. Now entering the West Baths. You can see through the floor. And there's the Roman bath shop. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed your little tour of the Roman baths here in Somerset. And thanks for watching today, and bye for now.